Okay. Yes, there you are. So we're gonna start by learning some phrasal verbs with out in up. Okay.
Yeah.
These phrasal verbs we checked in a previous lesson. These ones. Do you remember? Number one, we we have out of drink at a party and had to go and buy some more.
Okay. This is run
Hello, teacher.
out.
Sorry, can you hear me?
Yes. Good evening, Jaroslav. How are you doing? Yes. The
Thank
first one
you. Fine.
is run out of. Yes.
Run off.
Run out of. Yes. Number two, the president was reported to have resigned, but it. I remember that I told you once this phrasal verb. It means to result in.
President was reported to have resigned, but it
To result in being fake news. No?
no.
Turn out
No.
to be.
What is in Spanish turn out?
Turn out as resultar.
Resulta.
Yes, so in this case it means it turned out to be fake news. Resultaron ser noticias falsas.
Okay.
Yes. I can't, sorry, I can't out your problems for you. You've got to
This is
solve them
sort out.
yourself. Yes, sort out.
Sort.
Sort out to solve something. Number four, sorry. Leah hired a detective in an attempt to out the truth.
Find
Yes,
find out.
Find out. Averiguar.
Mhm.
Find out the truth. Number five. Patsy out with her best friend last week after a huge argument.
Fell is fall.
Yes, fall out with. And then we have I've
The past.
corrected your homework. Yes, fall out with. Do you remember what it
Well,
means? Fall out with someone.
pelearse era.
Yes.
Pelearse.
hmm And number six. I've corrected your homework. Could I have a volunteer too? In this case, is give out the books.
Give out. But I don't remember, but give out.
Entregar.
Yeah, give out is
Yes,
good.
give out the books.
Okay.
Another synonym is hand in. It's the same, hand in.
Yeah.
The next one. In this case, you have to think of the main verb. And it's something different to the previous exercise, okay? So she never tells the truth. She's always up stories.
El make up. Inventar.
Yes, but in this case we have she
Making up.
is always is making up.
Ah,
Yes.
yeah, see, she's always making up, yeah.
Yes. Number two, nobody has up to stealing the money, but we think we know who did it.
Yeah, nobody.
First of all, we have to analyze here is in present perfect tense. So we need a verb in past participle. This phrasal verb I'm gonna tell you because it's very, very easy for you, I think. It's own up to. In the verbs, after to goes with ing for always. Own out up to.
Sorry, teacher, I didn't hear you.
Okay, the phrasal verb is nobody has owned with ed at the end. Owned up to stealing.
Okay, what is in Spanish own up?
Admit or recognize something.
Ah, yeah.
Yes. Nobody has owned up to stealing. And remember, owned up to This is a phrasal verb with 3 particles, and after 2, all the verbs go with ing, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Stealing.
Stealing.
Admitir algo, ¿sí?
Yeah.
Own up to. Yes. Number 3. Paul has stopped going to carrot classes and
Take.
yes,
Take.
take up
Because
Juro instead.
okay.
Yes.
Teacher, it won't be took up.
Took up. Took up. Because it's in past tense. It says Paul stopped in the past. Has stopped, sorry. And he took up Juro instead. Yes. Number 4. I'm seriously thinking of
Giving up.
Yes, of giving up my career. Stop doing something. My career as a lawyer. And I can't up with the stress much longer.
Put up with the.
Yes, put up with.
Put up with. Yeah.
Put up with is to tolerate something. Number 5. Being a parent is so hard. There is nothing more difficult than up a child.
Growing up.
Bringing up.
Upbringing.
Yeah.
Bringing up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bring. I am.
Remember, bringing up is criar algo. Growing up is crecer por tu cuenta. Yes.
Bring up. Yeah.
Okay.
And we have the last one, very easy. Up, don't look sad. Don't look so sad. To be very, very, very happy, very excited. Cheer up.
Cheer up.
Yes, cheer up.
Okay.
Yes, so I'm gonna
Cheer
show
up.
you the answers so you can check the spelling, okay? Ran out of turned out to be sort of
out to out.
find out the truth, fell out in past, and to give out. And then we have making up stories, out, up to, giving, put up with, bringing, and cheer up.
Teacher,
Tell me.
what's the meaning of cheer up?
Animarse.
Animarse. Okay.
Yes. Okay, and that's it. So now we're gonna check the passives. Do you remember what we learned on Friday?
Yes.
Okay. These 6 exercises are the basics. Okay. So we have to practice this. Number 1, you should keep dust off the computer screen. So we have the keyword free, and the computer screen should
Teacher, what is the meaning of dust off?
Dust
Alejandro?
off dust es polvo, ¿sí? Y si nos dice keep dust off, what does it mean?
Mantener fuera del polvo.
Mantenerlo fuera del polvo.
Exactamente. So the computer should be, remember that is
Should be free of dust.
Should be kept. Should be kept free of dust.
Yeah.
Should be
kept in past. Kept. Remember that this is the passive, okay? Should be kept free of dust.
Oh.
Number 2, the orange walls make the living room feel warm. Okay, so the living room, remember that is always the past participle of the verbs, as you can see, given. And in this case, the tense of the sentence, and what is the tense? Present, past, present perfect. Present, right? So we need the verb to be. The living room is given, right? Is given what?
Is given
Warm.
to feel warm. Oh no.
Warm.
Yes, the living room is given a warm feel by the orange walls. That is the right way.
A warm.
Un toque cálido o un sentimiento cálido sería warm feel. Number 3. Maya earned £5 an hour in her last job. So Maya, first of all, is in past tense, right? Because it says earned. Yes, so it means that we need the verb to be, but in past. So
Was.
Maya
Were paid.
was paid.
Was
Yes.
paid.
Maya was paid. Was paid, and here is we have to use a word that we checked in the previous lesson. Do you remember hourly? This is a collocation, hourly rate.
Hourly rate.
Hourly rate means la tarifa por hora. ¿Sí? Hourly rate. So it means that Maya was paid.
Maria was paid hourly rate of £5 in the last
Yes,
job.
an hourly rate.
Yeah.
Maya was paid an hourly rate of £5 in her last job. Lo que sería en español más o menos, a Maya se le pagaba la hora, se le pagaba 5 libras la hora en su antiguo trabajo.
Yeah.
Yes. Maya was paid an hourly rate. That is the answer. Number 4. Most cats don't mind it if you leave them at home alone. Okay, in this case, this phrase at the end, home alone, we have to change it a little bit. Okay, because we have own at home. So most cats don't mind.
If you need
To be left.
Yes, to be left, because it's in present, right? In present tense. Don't mind to be left on their own, right? On their own at home.
On their own.
Yes. Number 5. It was unfair that she was sent to prison. What is the tense here? Simple past, right? Simple past
Yes.
tense. So she
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 deserves.
didn't.
didn't, yes, because it is in negative, because it was unfair. So she didn't deserve to be sent to prison. Ella no merecía ser enviada. That is the passive. She didn't deserve to be sent to prison. And number 6. It wasn't Zach's fault that the chair broke. So we have here Zach was not right. Remember, guys, in this case, when we have to use the verb blame, that is culpar, okay, we have to use only this structure. For example, in this case, it was not to blame for.
Yeah.
Yes.
Blame for.
Or if it's your fault, for example, you are to blame for in positive way. It is always you are not to blame or you are to blame for. So Zach was not to blame for the broken chair. And I'm gonna show you so that you can check, okay? Number 1 is be kept
Okay.
free of dust,
Be kept.
que sería debe ser mantenida libre de polvo.
Yeah.
Number 2 is given a worm.
Living a worm.
Yes. In number three, sorry, we have two options, okay? Was paid at an hourly or was paid at the hourly rate. The preposition at, it's up to you, okay? Was paid an hourly rate. Both options are exactly the same. Yes. Number 4 is mine being left on the ground, okay? Yes, we forgot to take into account that we have mine. And don't forget that we use mine. All of the verbs are in ing form.
Yes.
Don't mind being left on the ground. Yes. Number 5, she didn't or she did not deserve to be sent to prison. Number 6, Zach was not to blame for the broken chair. Okay, ready to go?
Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
Okay,
Yes.
so we're going to continue with grammar. Okay, this is the grammar part. Part 1 of the reading and use of English. In this case, you know what you have to do. You have to choose what is the right answer. Okay, and let's do this together. We have the home of former athlete Helen Barnett was burgled this weekend, and a large number of sporting medals and trophies everywhere were robbed, were matched, were lifted, or were stolen.
Stolen.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, what is the difference between rob and steal?
Rob, those are exactly the same, actually. Yes.
Yeah.
But the main difference is that, for example, rob is when you commit a rob, okay? And steal is when you talk from your perspective about that someone else stole something from you.
Yeah. When
Yes.
I rob, yeah,
Yes.
okay.
But in this case, as the other person did this, so we have to use stolen. Were stolen. Fueron robadas
Yeah.
by someone else. Miss Barnett, who know runs, who know overtakes, who know works, who know holds. What do you think is here? Who now? Sorry, who now?
Holds.
Holds.
Or runs.
Runs. Remember to run a business.
Yes.
A successful sportswear company is. I'm gonna go down. Yes. Is spoken, is said, is felt, or is told to be devastated at the loss. This is the passive.
Said is the letter B. Said.
Is said or is told.
For me, said.
Okay. You're going to come across with a real surprise with this, okay? But at the end, I'm gonna tell you. Number 4, the burglary took part on, took hold, took place, or took time. Took part
time?
not. Took part, time not. Took place, on.
Okay.
Descartado part porque la collocation is take part in, and we have on. Yes, took place on Saturday afternoon when Mr. Barnett went to investigate smoke coming from a wooded area. The burglar is thought to have. This is the passive in present perfect. Se piensa que sería. The burglar is thought to have made, to have given, to have set, or to have put fire to undergrowth.
To set.
To set fire, right?
Yes.
Yes. To set fire. Yes, have set fire in order to attack Burnett out of the house. A young man carrying a large bag was seen climbing over the garden wall before making his getaway, runaway, hideaway, or takeaway.
Runaway?
Runaway, maybe.
Or takeaway.
Runaway, takeaway. No.
No, takeaway is not. Runaway,
Run away.
runaway, right? So escape. And then we have number 7. The theft comes just 10 months after a similar incident in which a man posing as a telephone engineer had succeeded, had managed, or had tricked, or had obtained. This is the past perfect.
Managed.
Yes, obtained. We have had the exactly into. It can be a clue. Into leaving the house.
A ver. We have.
What do you think? Is it succeeded into? No, I don't
No.
think so. Manage into?
Yes.
The right here, the word, the right option is tricked into,
Yeah, yes.
which means
Trick.
engañar.
Yes.
Tricked into. Mhm.
Tricked.
Entonces dice que le engañó para dejar la casa while another one helped himself to her jewels. So the thieves were eventually caught and imprisoned, order given, or sentenced to 4 years in jail.
Tenth?
Sentenced?
Sentenced.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Sentence.
Yes. We are between imprisoned or sentenced. Those are kind of similar. Yes, I'm gonna show you anyways. Okay, let's analyze one by one. Number 1 is D, as I told you, stolen. Okay, where is stolen? Number 2 is runs. Number 3 is set. Yes. Number
Okay.
4.
Wait. What is set? No, set. Yeah, yes, no, yes, yeah. Okay.
Set. Mhm.
Yeah, okay.
Number 4 is place, take place on. Number 5 is set. Number 6 is getaway.
Getaway. Yeah.
What do you think is the difference between getaway and runaway?
I don't know because the same. Escapar, escapar. Why no? I don't know what is the difference.
A ver, getaway significa en la fuga o en la escapada, se podría decir. En runaway es huir. Es una pequeña diferencia, pero depende. Es bastante sutil la diferencia, nada más.
Okay.
Yes. And we have tricked, as I told you, tricked into Engañar.
Mhm.
Phrasal verb. And sentenced. Yes. Okay. Ready?
I'm
Ready.
ready.
Okay.
Trick engañar
Trick
was the
into.
meaning, right?
Yes, trick into.
Trick in.
Trick someone into. That is the correct structure of this phrasal verb.
Okay.
In this case, what set fire?
Set fire es abrir fuego.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. The essay. By the way, are you practicing in the link that I sent you? Right
No,
into Prof.
no. No.
Please, you have to
Yeah.
practice, okay? And by the way, did you do the homework that I sent you on the simulator? Remember that you had to send me the screenshot of your results.
Okay. I do the R6. I don't have good results. In 7, I'm working in 7. I more or less.
Okay, but anyways, you have to send me the screenshot, okay?
Okay.
To track your progress.
Okay.
Okay, I gave you just one thing. I gave you this simulator because this is very useful to practice as it is very hard. Okay, and that is the intention. It is very hard. The part 6 and the test 6 and the test 5, 7, right? Because on the real exam, if you get used to this kind of exercise at this level of difficulty, on the real exam, you are on at the time that you are going to carry out the exam, it is going to be very easy because the real exams are a little bit easier than you think. Okay, even the Cambridge one is going to be a little bit easier, and that's okay because the moment that you will be performing your exam is going to be like you're going not to be nervous, and you're going to be like answering all the questions without struggling, without problems. Okay, so don't forget to keep on practicing on this simulator. Okay, so you can get used to this kind of difficulty.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna practice a little bit of speaking right now. So you're going to tell me. Okay, let me see who's gonna start. Sandra, please. What do you like
Okay.
doing on rainy days?
Can you repeat the question, please?
What do you like to do, or what do you like doing on rainy days?
Okay. In rainy days, I stay at home. I prefer to sit on my chair and bring a hot coffee, a cup of hot coffee, and I read a book too because go outside is cold. So I prefer to stay at home.
Yes. Jaroslav, please. You have to describe a time when you experience very bad weather.
Okay. I remember one day I was walking to my university, and it start to raining.
Mm-hmm.
It start raining, and I got wet all over myself,
Okay.
and I was I got my clothes uh, very wet, and I had to wait to arrive home, and I got sick.
Yes, there you are. And finally, Daniel, please, how interested are you in helping nature or the environment?
Mm, in what aspect? On the real aspect or
Yes, in reality, are you interested in helping nature?
mm, maybe yes, depend of education. And maybe doing things that makes the makes the let's make the heart make the world more cleaning,
Okay,
or also participating in campañas.
yes.
How it says campañas.
Sorry,
Ah, ¿cómo
I
se dice
can
campañas?
listen to see. Okay,
Hello,
can you
do you
listen
hear
to
me?
me, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm having
Do you
trouble
hear
with
me?
my microphone. Can
Do
you
you hear
listen to
me?
me?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Clear.
Okay, yeah. Okay, okay. I'm back. Continue, please.
Okay. Do you hear me? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe doing things that make the world more clean, and also uh, make works like apoyar
To support.
or support camps that makes the earth clean, like lifestyles maybe.
Okay, perfect. So that is why we have to practice a little bit of vocabulary related to weather. Okay? And what you have to do is to uh, we have to complete the gaps with the words that we have in the box. Breeze, clouds, rain, sea, showers, sky, storm, sunshine, and winds. So that we can form kind of idioms or collocations. So we have a clear sky, right? Or a stormy sky. And then we have a lightning or a severe or a tropical what?
Tropical breeze.
Like storm, maybe.
Storm?
Oh,
Yes,
Yes.
it could be.
Like a severe storm, a
mm,
tropical
A
storm.
lightning storm, yes, a lightning storm, or a
Sunshine,
tropical or a severe storm.
lightning sunshine, silver sunshine, tropical
No,
sunshine.
because we have like negative words here: lightning, severe, and tropical. Those are related to storm.
mm,
Maybe.
Yes, breeze, storm. Sorry. Then we have heavy, torrential, and light.
Heavy. Rain, because heavy rain.
rain.
Yes, heavy rain. It collocates with rain. And then we have strong gale force and light. What do you think is here?
Wind
Strong,
or
strong,
no.
strong gale force lights. Mm-mm. Easy no.
Strong, light, or gale force. Those are like very, very hard, tough. The fuerza mayor.
Eh, light. Maybe winds or breeze. No, breeze. No, no.
Or showers.
It's
Mm,
showers. What is showers?
Chubascos.
Ah,
Lloviznas.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
What do you think is?
The business. Yeah.
I think winds no because it says light.
Weather, sir. Then maybe showers. Storm showers,
Yes.
maybe forest or light shower.
Or
Maybe.
clouds.
Yeah.
Then we have,
No. Yes,
yes.
no.
Then we have warm, bright, and glorious.
sunshine.
Sunshine.
Yes, sunshine.
Sunshine. Very
Then we have
sunshine.
a rough, a calm, and a choppy.
What's choppy?
Choppy means, how can I say this? It's like En picada, something like that.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe
We have
C.
a rough
Calm.
and a
Calm.
calm. Do you know what is this? Breeze.
Yeah. A ver,
Mhm.
breeze.
Brisa.
No.
No.
No?
Can. Choppy. No, no puede ser. Round. Can. Choppy. C.
Yes, right. Just a
Mhm.
C.
Yes,
Rough
C.
C. A calm C.
Round. Can.
Yeah.
Choppy C.
Okay.
Yes.
C. Yes, right.
Yeah.
Mhm.
C.
And then we have thick, storm, and fluffy. This
Ahí
is
sí.
kind of. This is. I think this word is not for you.
What is fluffy?
Esponjoso o
Sí.
suave.
Fluffy.
Fluffy, storm, and thick.
Thick.
Clouds. Maybe.
Clouds. Storm
Clouds.
clouds. Yes, clouds. hmm And then we have thundery, scatter, and snow. Thundery, scatter, and no, scattered.
Thundery, scattery, snow.
Showers. Maybe.
Showers.
Showers. Yes.
Maybe.
Okay. Thundery is que truena.
Trueno.
Sí, truena. Scatter is disperso. And snow. Snow.
Mm, Nieve. Yes?
hmm
Yeah.
It could be. Yes.
No.
Snow, rain. Maybe rain.
Puede ser. El
Yes.
momento. Ah,
And we have a gentle, a cool, and a stiff
Breeze.
Freeze.
breeze. Yes. A stiff breeze.
A ver.
Let's check. Just let me go over. Yes.
Cae.
Lightning as a bird in a tropical storm. Yes, we were right. Heavy rains or torrential showers as well. Because
Yeah.
are the same, rains or showers. Strong winds, gale force winds, and light
Wind.
winds.
Warm, bright sunshine.
We have warm, bright, and glorious sunshine. And then we have a rough, a calm, and a choppy sea. Thick, storm, and fluffy clouds. Thunder is scattered in snow showers as well. And a gentle
Showers.
and a cool and a stiff breeze.
Yeah.
Yes, there you are. Okay, ready to continue?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
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 Okay, so we're going to practice, okay, with a two-word collocation from the exercise 2, the one that we did right now, this sentence, okay? And remember that more than one answer can be possible. Okay, for example, there is a lovely clear sky tonight, so we might see a shooting star. Number two, our garden wall was blown down during the night by a what?
No. Sería
It is,
what phrase?
yes,
Eh,
was blown down, fue derribado.
waves, pero es viento, porque blow down es caerse,
Derribar.
¿cierto? Y derribarse. Entonces, I don't know, it's strong, gale force or light winds. Una de las tres. What is the correct?
Yes, but it says our garden, wall. So it means that it must be, yes, a very, very strong wind.
Yeah, strong wind.
So what do you think
Strong.
is here? By
By a
a
strong.
by a heavy, maybe? Remember the collocations. By a strong wind. It can be right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, strong.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then we have number 3. Heavy will fall on high ground tonight, so skiers can look forward to a good day on the slopes tomorrow.
Heavy rain.
Heavy rains. Rain.
Heavy rain, but it says so skiers.
Mm.
In slopes, this is related to snow.
Mm.
Heavy
Okay.
snow.
So heavy, we have heavy torrential rain. Those
Heavy
heavy
snow,
rain
right.
showers.
Heavy snow will fall on high ground tonight. Yes. Heavy snow. Number 4. I think it's going to rain. There are some very dark. Dark, I think it's related to clouds. Dark, right? Or dark sky as well.
Yeah.
Some very dark. We have here sky, stormy sky, thick clouds, storm clouds, or fluffy clouds.
Fluffy clouds.
I think it's by a dark, stormy sky. Because it says, I think it's going to rain overhead.
A ver, no.
There are some very dark, stormy sky.
Dark, dark.
You've got it.
Yeah, there's clouds. We have clouds, but also thick clouds or storm clouds.
Yes, storm clouds it could be as well, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Remember that in exercise, more than one answer is possible, okay? Then we have number 5. Has caused serious flooding throughout the region. In this case, is something related to rain.
Okay.
Torrential rain could be. Torrential rain or heavy rain or showers.
Yeah. Torrential or heavy
Heavy rain
rain.
has caused serious flooding throughout the region. Heavy rain it could be.
Yeah. Heavy
Yes.
rain.
Number 6. We sailed on a beautiful. This is sea.
Yes.
Yes, sea.
Sí,
So it
pero
could be
ahora
a rough. No,
no puede ser.
we not a wave inside. Yes, so it is a calm sea.
Calm.
Yes,
Calm.
there you are.
Calm
Yeah.
sea.
A ver.
Number 2. Strong or gale force winds. Yes, strong winds. We were right. Number 3.
Yeah.
Snow showers.
Yeah.
Yes, snow showers, right. And then we have thick or storm clouds. Yes, you were right, Sandra. Yes, storm clouds. We have heavy or torrential rain.
Yeah.
And finally, a calm sea.
Yeah. Yes. That is.
Okay, now you have to put into practice this vocabulary through a speaking exercise. So let me see, Jaroslav, please. Describe to me an experience or a place in which you can use this kind of vocabulary, okay? Something related to weather, an experience that happened to you.
Okay. Sorry. Oh, scrap.
Or are you ready, Sandro, maybe?
Okay.
Yes, please.
I have a bad experience last year in the winter. I was outside because I went to buy. I don't remember everything, bread. So it was a heavy rain, and there was a lighting too. It was it was dark. It was very dark. It was frightening for me since there was a torrential rains, and there was
Yes.
lighting and truenos. What is in Spanish? Truenos, lighting
Lightning.
and
Yes,
lightning
lightning strike.
strikes. So it was very very bad
Yes.
and frightening.
Okay. Have you ever experienced a lightning strike very, very closely?
Yes, this day, but, I think it was next to me, but no, don't have, no, nothing. It didn't happen, nothing. But I think it was with me, so it was a bad experience.
Okay, thank you so much, Sandra. Perfect. Now you, Jaroslav, are you ready?
Okay. Can you repeat the question,
Yes.
teacher?
Just experience. Tell me about an experience that you about related to weather. Okay. For example, a strong wind or a thick storm, something like that. That you have experienced once.
Okay. I remember may, 10 years ago, I was on my grandparents' house, and suddenly it starts to make a strong wind. And
Okay.
I remembered that uh, the trees start to move very strong, and uh, then it it starts to rain, uh, to start to fall a heavy rain.
Yes. In
And
the wind, sorry, in the wind, blown down
okay,
the house.
no, it didn't blow down the house, but it was very strong that we were very scared. And yes, then it start to rain, uh, a heavy rain, and then fall a lot of lightning.
Okay. And how much long it was?
It was about 2 hours.
2 hours. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Now you, Daniel, you're going to finish this exercise. Tell me about an experience related to weather that you experienced in the past. Are you there? No, I don't think so. So we're going to continue. And this is the listening part that you have to practice at home, okay? Don't forget to keep on practicing listening. You have the audios in the Google Drive folder. Now let's go over to in enough. I think it's kind of familiar with you, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so this is from the exercise of the listening part. Yes. Okay. Okay, let me check some grammar. Yes, here it is. This is very easy because I think you master these two words, these quantifiers, two and enough. Yes, right?
Yeah, wait, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
But anyways, I'm gonna show you. Remember that two, as you know, means more than necessary or more than desirable. Yes, más de lo necesario. And we have many ways, some ways to use to. For example, we can use to plus an adjective or plus an adverb. For example, this jumper is too big. Adjective, or don't work too hard, which is an adverb. Okay? Or we can use too much, this combination, too much or too many, with an adjective or a noun. For example, I can eat this because there is too much salt in it. As you can see, it's a noun. Or there are too many young children here. The adjective and then the noun. Any of these ways you can use it, okay? Then we have too much and too many can also be used as pronouns, as in this one. We were lovely cakes. They were lovely cakes, sorry, but I ate too many. Can you notice the pronoun here? The lovely cakes turned into too many, as you can see, right?
Okay.
Yes. So too many or too much is used to replace the pronoun. So you don't write the pronoun.
In this case, it refers to the lovely cakes.
Yes, the lovely cakes. That is why I ate too many of them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we have too little and too few. And are possible, okay? They are very formal, actually. Not enough is more common in spoken English, as you can see here. We had too little time. Yes, too little time to prepare for the exam. That is the way. How could you say muy poco tiempo in English, according to you?
Yeah.
Very little time.
Yeah.
Yes, that is. Don't forget. We have too few students are opting for science subjects and too little is being done to change this. Remember, we use too little for uncountable things and too few for countable ones, okay?
Yeah. Too little for uncountable.
Yes, and too few
And
for things that you can count.
yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. The part 3. Too and too much, or too many, or too little, or too few can be followed by the infinitive with too. This is another structure. For example, it is too cold to play. Está mucho frío para jugar, ¿sí? He spoke too quickly for me to understand. This structure is very, very useful and common and natural when speaking. For then we have to use the pronoun and then to, okay? The object pronoun. He spoke too quickly. Él habló muy rápido para entender, okay? For me to understand, or for me to play, or for me to work, for me to read, and so on. And then we have, there is too much work for one person to cope with. Another time, okay, one more time. For one person to cope with. Va el for, luego la persona y la acción que hace, okay, con to. El infinitivo. So don't forget this.
Okay, what is to cope it? To cope with?
To cope with means to deal with. Yes?
Yeah. To deal.
Okay.
Lidiar con algo, ¿sí? Lidiar con algo. Cope with. Then we have these ones. Far, much, way. This is informal. Rather, a little or slightly, in a bit, which is informal, can be used to vary the strength of to. Lo usamos para variar el énfasis del to, ¿sí? This is much too long. Es como que le da énfasis que dice, este ensayo es muy, muy, muy largo, right? And there are far too many mistakes. Far too, muchísimos errores. Far too many mistakes. And the language is also a little too informal. Es un poco informal, right?
Yeah.
To emphasize this. And as you know, enough means as much as necessary, as is necessary. So we have four ways to use this. The adjective, an adverb, and then enough. For example, are you warm enough, or shall I turn the heating on? Yes? Or you haven't done your homework carefully enough. Always the adjective or the adverb has to go before enough. Is it clear this part, right?
Yeah. Okay.
For example, ¿cómo me dirían ustedes son lo suficientemente inteligentes para pasar el examen? En English.
You are enough intelligent.
The reverse, okay? First the adjective and the adverb, or the adverb. So the right way is you are smart enough.
It's not enough.
Yes, you are smart
Wow.
enough to pass the exam.
Okay.
Yes, that is the way. And then we have enough. In this case, the other way around, al revés. Enough plus adjective and plus noun. For example, we will have to stand because there aren't enough chairs, or not enough new homes are being built. Can you see?
Okay.
Yes. We can use only enough and then a noun, or a noun plus an adjective. As you can see, new homes. That is. And enough can be also used as a pronoun as well. For example, I will buy more bread. We haven't got enough. As the other part, similar a la that there were very lovely cakes,
Yes.
but I ate too many. So in this case, enough refers to bread. Yes. And enough can be followed by the infinitive with to as well. For example, as I told you, you are smart enough to pass the exam. But in this case, it's like this. I don't have enough time to see you today. Or the floor is clean enough for you to sit on. Okay?
Yeah.
And number 4, nearly, almost, not quite. It just can be before enough. For example, Zach is 1 meter and 80 centimeters, not quite tall enough to go on the roller coaster. Not quite,
What's the meaning? Not quite. Not
very,
quite.
very.
Okay.
That is the meaning. Not very tall enough. Siempre que le vean al quite, hagan de cuenta que es el very, very. A very
Okay.
is quite.
Yeah.
And just, not just tall enough, the same, to go on the roller coaster. And that's it. Do you have any question?
I think no.
Okay. Anyways, on Wednesday we're going to practice exercise with this. Okay.
Okay.
Remember, whenever you have to write or to say that a person is going to do an action, is we have to use for, then the object pronoun, and then to. For example, the floor is clean enough for you to sit on. Like this.
Okay.
Yes, when you are mentioning that a person is going to doing something.
Okay.
And that's it, guys. The next lesson we're going to practice these exercises.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So remind me, please, that we have to keep on working on page number 162. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you don't have any question, do you have?
No.
No? Yeah, okay. And don't forget to send me your screenshot of the homework that I sent you, okay?
Okay.
And I'll see you in the next
Okay.
lesson. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye. Have a good
Thank you.
night.
Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.